Hello everyone. So today we will see Bernoulli's equation and Riccati's equation in the first part, and in the second part we will study about exact differential equations. Okay, so starting with the Bernoulli's equation, it's a very simple topic. A differential equation of the form, you just have to remember its form. If the differential equation given to you is in this form, that is dy by dx plus pxy equal to qx y raised to n, then such type of equation, differential equation, is called Bernoulli's equation. So during that time, first of all you have to identify that whether it is a Bernoulli's equation or not. And once you identify that it is a Bernoulli's equation, your step 1 will be, you have to divide both the sides of given equation by y raised to n. Okay, અહીંયા જે y raised to n છે, it means if it is here y square, then you have to divide both the side by y square. If it is y cube, then you have to divide both the side by y cube. Okay, so your step 1 will be, you have to divide both the sides of the given equation, differential equation, by y raised to n. Okay, then your next step will be, step 2, you have to take y raised to 1 minus n equal to v. Okay, it means if n is 3, then y raised to 1 minus 3, that is y raised to minus 2 equal to v. So you have to take y raised to 1 minus n equal to v and then differentiate it. And then you have to substitute its value in the equation number 2. In this equation, you have to substitute its values. Okay? Then in the step number 3, your equation reduces to linear form and you will get the solution of the Bernoulli's equation. So the solution is given by v into e raised to px dx. This is nothing but the integrating factor. જે આપણે આગળ integrating factor find કરતા હતા, એ રીતના એ જ term છે, but in place of y it is here v. Okay, so v into this equal to integral qx into the integrating factor plus c. So this is the final solution which you will get for the Bernoulli's equation. So example of Bernoulli's equation is given. Solve dy by dx plus 1 by xy equal to x cube y cube. Then you can see that this is Bernoulli's equation. Dy by dx plus pxy. What is our px? 1 by x. And what is our qx y raised to n? Qx is x cube. And what is our n? N is 3. So your step 1 will be, you have to divide both the sides of equation by y raised to n. Means you have to divide both the sides of equations by y cube. Divide both the sides of equation by y cube, because we have to divide by y raised to n. So dividing it, what we will get? 1 by y cube dy by dx plus 1 by x y by y cube equal to x cube y cube by y cube. But this both will get cancelled and here we will get y square. So we can write like this: y raised to minus 3 dy by dx plus 1 by x y raised to minus 2 equal to x cube. This is your equation number 2 and the given equation is equation number 1. Now what you have to do? You have to take the step number 2, you have to take y raised to 1 minus n. N is 3. That is y raised to minus 2 equal to v. And then you have to, if we differentiate, then what we will get? dv by dx equal to minus 2 y raised to minus 3 dy by dx. Okay. So now if I substitute both these values in the equation number 2, then your equation 2 will become, equation 2 becomes, in place of this term, you have to write like this: minus 1 by 2 y raised to minus 3 dy by dx છે, તો એની જગ્યાએ આમ લખી શકીએ માઇનસ, આ જે 2 છે અહીંયા લઈ લઈએ, તો it will be minus 1 by 2 dv by dx. So value of this term will be minus 1 by 2 dv by dx. Okay, so in place of this term I am writing minus 1 by 2 dv by dx plus 1 by x, this is nothing but v, so 1 by xv equal to x cube. So I can write like this, dv by dx minus 2 by xv equal to minus 2x cube. So now this equation is linear, and we all know how to solve linear differential equation. In the previous lectures we already did. Okay, so this given equation, that is dv by dx, which we got, obtained equation is linear. So from that we can find that px will be minus 2 by x and qx will be minus 2x cube. From that we can find the integrating factor. Integrating factor is e raised to integral p dx, that is we will get x raised to minus 2. Why we are doing this? Because final step is we have to substitute the value of integrating factor here. Okay, and value of px as well as qx. So integrating factor we got this. Now finally your general solution will be this, that is v into integrating factor, that is what is integrating factor, 1 by x square equal to qx. What is our qx? Minus 2x cube, again into integrating factor, that is 1 by x square dx plus c. Then here this term, here only x will remain. Okay, so integrating it you will get this term, and then finally you have to put v equal to 1 by y square. ઓકે, આપણે જે v ની વેલ્યુ આપણે આગળ એઝ્યુમ કરી હતી 1 by y square, એ ફાઇનલી પુટ કરી દઈએ. So we will get the final answer 1 by x square y square equal to minus x square plus c. So in this way you can solve any given Bernoulli's equation. Okay, so now Riccati's equation. Again here also you have to remember its form. Here the equation is of the form y dash equal to pxy square plus qxy plus rx. And if the given equation is in this form, that is pxy square plus qxy plus rx, then this equation is called Riccati's equation. And here your solution will be, final solution will be yx equal to vx plus 1 by u. But for getting final solution, you have to substitute value of vx and u. Then only you will get yx. So for getting u, you have to obtain u from this equation, that is u dash plus 2px into vx plus qx into u equal to minus px. So from this you will obtain the value of u, and vx will be given in the question. So after substituting both the values here, you will get the final solution. So it will be more clear to you from this example. Solve y dash minus 4y equal to y square by taking vx equal to minus 4. Here vx is given, so from vx only we can say that this will be the Riccati's equation. Because vx no use જે છે એ Riccati's equation માં થાય છે. Okay, and if we identify this form, but for that we have to first rearrange the equation, then it will be y dash equal to y square plus 4y. Okay, now if you compare this equation with this term, then you can say that your px is 1. Your px is 1. Your qx is equal to 4 and rx is not present, so it is 0. Okay, now what you have to do? You have to get the final solution, we will use this equation. Vx plus 1 by u. And what is vx? Vx is minus 4 plus 1 by u. So this is our final answer, but we don't know the value of u. So we will find the value of u and substitute here, so we will get the final answer. Okay, so for getting the value of u, we will use this. So we already have the value of px, vx, qx, આ બધી value આપણી પાસે છે. So what is the value of px? Px is 1. Value of vx is given, that is minus 4, plus value of qx is 4 into u equal to minus px is again 1. Okay, so we will get this equation. Now what you solving it further, we will get u dash minus 4u equal to minus 1. Okay, minus 8 plus 4, that is minus 4. So u dash is nothing but du by dx. So du by dx is equal to 4u minus 1. Okay. Now if I take u term here in the denominator, then I will get like this. So now integrating both the sides, we will get 1 by 4 log 4u minus 1 equal to x plus c1. So if I remove the log, I can write like this: 4u minus 1 equal to e raised to 4x into c. But c is nothing but e raised to 4c1. Okay, if we write here e raised to 4x, then here also we will get e raised to 4c1. But in place of e raised to 4c1, I am writing c. Okay, take the subject of u, then I will get the value of u. So what we will get u will be 1 by 4 e raised to 4x into c plus 1. So this is the value of u which I got. If I make the subject of u, then I will get 1 by 4 c e raised to 4x plus 1. And now if I substitute this value of u here, then I will get the final solution. Okay, so the solution is given by yx equal to minus 4 plus 1 by u. And what is the u here? That I have to substitute here. And if I rewrite the equation, then I will get minus 4 plus 4 c e raised to 4x plus 1. So this is the final solution for the given Riccati's equation. So thank you everyone. I hope you understood Bernoulli's equation and Riccati's equation. If you have any doubt, then you can ask me. Thank you.